Welcome to BSP Solutions again. We are learning the ARCS tool of Oracle EPM, and in this our series of tool we have gone through the various topics and the different aspects of the ARCS. So in our today's topic of learning is of report, the custom report as well as the pre-built report available in the ARCS application. So when we talk about a report, so which are the work, the output. It is a form of output for the activities which we perform in an application. So with the help of report, we can just summarize the result of our activities. So under this report, that is ARCS report, we have these two custom as well as the pre-built report. So under this ARCS, one can create a custom report in addition to using the predefined reports in reconciliation compliance or of transaction matching. That is, we can use the custom reports, the predefined reports which are already available in our application. So the application, those which the reports which are available in reconciliation, they are of most common nature, which are being used very frequently in the business processes. So that's why we have some pre-built reports available, and the reports can be built by the service administrator only, although he can provide the rights of viewing it or to edit it to other users also, but primarily it is being made by the service administrator. And the other users who are assigned the reconciliation can also, that is the service administrator can provide the other role for creating this custom report. So for that we need the reconciliation manager manage reports role. And similarly, as we talk about, the predefined reports are available to service administrator for most of your reporting needs and are useful starting point for report creation. That is, they have been these reports, the pre-built reports, are those which are being very frequently and commonly, and they are of routine in nature, which an organization may need in going through the output of the activity. So generally for the custom reports, the basic steps which we require for creating these reports, these are, we have to create a query for this custom reports, and based on that query, we have to create a template for that. Once a template is created, we need to create a set up a report group to group individual reports. Based on that, we have to create a report group in the template, so that we can group the individual reports. And once that is completed, we need to define the report definition. So we have to set up the report definition, and then the last process is to generate the report. So this is basically the steps or the activities which we perform for creating the custom reports. So we will just go to our application, and first we will see the pre-built reports which are available. So this is our application. When we come to this home page, from the home page, we have this report section on the home page itself. This report card, reports card, and from here we have these two options: reconciliation, compliance, and the transaction matching. So we can just generate this one, or alternatively we can approach to this page from navigator to under application. We have this no, it is a separate it is a separate tab, or that is the reports. This is the reconciliation, compliance, and the transaction matching. So what are those reports which are predefined? So all these are the predefined reports. Reconciliation, compliance reporting, then reconciliation manager, and then the flux analysis. We have this, all these are the different predefined reports are available. So we will just go to the reconciliation, compliance reporting, and we have this, all these the reports which are commonly in use. So it is balanced by account type, so it will show the balance by account type. So we will just go to see this report. We have to just click on this tick, and we have this or output format here. So just select this one and need to create on this, click on this generate. Say for the period of, say it is June or June. Okay, currency bucket, just go and just select it, generate it. So we will just go and see whether the report is generated or not. So it has been generated, downloaded, basically balance by account type. So there is nothing in this report, basically. That's why they have, likewise we can create the reports for other members also. Just a minute, otherwise we may have to define some more parameters in it. Just reset it, balance by type, period, say it is select the period. Okay, for June, May, this is the report for, okay, for June. Let's create this for June and define the currency bucket as functional, rate type as accounting, currency as USD. We can define all these parameters for the reports. If there has been a risk, just ignore this risk rating and just generate. Just close this one. I think some error is crept in. Oh my god. My system got hanged basically due to this query. Whether it can close or not, generate. Some unexpected error came in here. So is there any movement of this screen? No. So I may have to just close this one and have to open it again. So I open in the new tab and under the reports. So let's go and see this report of late reconciliation. So the different reporting, the reports which are available, they are of balance type. We can see the organizational unit wise, reconciliation, compliance analysis, invalid profile, profit, profile audit trail, and all these reports are available. So let's have this reconciliation and late reconciliation and make it as PDF. Select it as PDF and generate this one. Invalid. We are getting some errors for this. Missing reconciliation. Let's see whether it is generated in HTML or not. Say for May, let's generate this one. Okay, it is in HTML format. Now you can see this have been the missing reconciliation. So let's generate this query in the PDF format and generate for May. Generate. Let's see the report. So it is in the, so it gives us the name of the account ID and account name of missing reconciliation. And similarly, let's see one other report. Warning, currency rates reconciliations questions. Okay, let's click this one on and create a PDF file for this. A PDF generation of period ID. Let's say it is June and generate. Now it will give the report or the details of the those profile or the account IDs where some questions were asked. So for these two account we have this question: did you clear adjustment within 60 days, and all this. So all these are basically those reports which are being very commonly in used by the users or in an organization. So this is about the reconciliation compliances, and let's see and generate this one also, reconciliation compliance in HTML. Select the HTML format and just generate. Say period is our June, account ID is not there, just to generate this one. Let's see whether it generate or not. Reconciliation complaint. Okay, so it generate a it gives the details or the report of those for the month of June 2022 where reconciliation comments were have been given. Comments: please investigate the alert on the, I was able to identify the part, I raised an alert for the team and others. So this is useful for the administrator and also to the different stakeholder to go through this report. So under the transaction matching, we can see we have these different types of reports: unmatched transaction, intercompany AR, unmatched transaction, unmatched matched transaction, intercompany AP. Then we have this close adjustment, intercompany reconciliation, match type configuration, reconciliation status. So let's go and click generate this one under the HTML. Select the HTML output format and just generate reconciliation state account ID. So let's generate without giving any parameters for this successfully, and let's see, it will give. No errors are there, whether it has generated or not. Let's back. Okay, let's see in the download. Reconciliation status. Now this is the reconciliation status. So it gives us a detailed report of the reconciliation status under the transaction matching. So this is about the reports which are being pre-built in the application. Okay, now we will just create one custom report and see whether we are able to get the result from it or not. To do this, we have to first configure the report, the custom report. And to configure this report, we have this option under from navigator under application. We have this report configuration, or alternatively under application we get this option of report configuration. So let me just delete the additional tabs. Now we have this under the report configuration. We land into this page first, and now you can see these we have these three tabs here: query, report groups, and the reports. If we go through over the steps, then we have to create a query, then we have to set up a report group and need to generate the report. So under this, some of them are already available here. So this must have been made by some of the users or by the administrator, and those which are in the log position, they are being created in the already available in the application. So balance by account type. Okay, if you will see, and aging violation, this is the report which has been created by somebody else. Open adjustment. Basically all these are those which are available in our report only. Okay, so since they are in the log position, so for even for the pre-built report, we have to complete this process of query, report group, and report. So to do this, start with, so we will have to just create a report, a demo report. Okay, and then we can give the description report, description of it, custom report for testing. Then we have this report query. Two options are there, so report query and the parameter query. So we have to define, select this report query, and we have to click on the generate query. So when we click on this generate query, just a minute, so when we will complete, so the query which we generate will be seen here in this query column, which is presently a blank one. So under generate query, so we have to select reconciliation manager and the transaction matching. So let's move on this reconciliation manager. Query is of related to reconciliation profiles or of transaction. So we will just select this profile, apply security to it, yes. Then we have to click on this next column, select column. So we have to we are supposed to choose the attribute for viewing the report, the output report. So under, we will just go and select this account, account ID, account type. So let's go select this move amount, created by who has created the report. And what else we can get, the process involved in that profile, and what is the risk rating. Just select this one and move to the right hand side. Why it has not been going to the right hand side? Some error has crept in. Apply security, just apply account type, select type. So just to do the reconciliation. Okay, we have to cancel this one. And first we have to validate this report, that this is validated or not. Keyword is something missing. So for that purpose, start generate query, I think. As we have been defining, so use the transaction matching and AP to PO fusion requisition, AP to PO requisition, or can we take some other? Test match. Let's select our report. Okay, select this one. Now select this. Now it is getting. So this is being created for the transaction matching only. So clearing account, clear. So let me select some other account for it. AP to Fusion. Okay. Apply security. Select column. Account ID. Then match ID, match process ID, type, and make it as name. Just move on to the right hand side. Okay, and from here just select filters, and just we will not create any filters for this, and just click on this. Okay, now you can see we have got the queries on the query written here in this window, in this tab, and just save this one. And we have to create a generate sample XML. So this file has been created. Okay, the name of this file is a report, a demo report. Okay, and just close and save this one. So as we have created one download report, we have created. So to view this report or to proceed further, we have to open the Word format, Word document. As I already have this Word document with me, and in which I already have install the BI publisher. To use this, we have to install the BI publisher in our local disk. So for that is available from our this administrator, and under from the download section we can just go and create the download the add-on for the ARCS. So it will automatically upload the BI publisher in our system. So under this BI publisher, we will have to just go to the sample XML which we have created here. So just click on this sample XML, go to this download a data source demo which we have just created. So this is a demo report XML. Click on this open. It has been loaded successfully. Then go to this table wizard and click on this next. Click on this next. Now you can see the name of those attributes which we have selected here are available here. So we can select all of them, or we can just ignore one of them as per our need. So we will just mm, take all the attributes here. Then we have to click on this next. And how would you like to group your report with account ID? Okay, and just click on this next and finish the one. So it automatically create the format for us, the basis the attributes which we have selected for our report. So this is basically the Word file, and we have to save it as an RTF file. Save as, because the RTF file is being read by the application. So under the webinar, so BI report RTF file 2. It must be in a rich text format. So just save this report. So it is in our RTF. A RTF file has been saved. So then we will again go to this our report configuration. We have created this a demo report. Now we will go to this report group. So we have to create a report group here. So to create this one, we have to click on this what is the name, a demo report, a underscore and RG. It is a name of the report group. We have to just provide a name to this and just save and close this one. And under the reports, we have to click on this. We have to create we have to provide a new report. So we will just give a new demo report and R report, new report demo. So what is our report group? Report group is which we have just created a demo report RG, display to users, yes, output form. So we have this option of choosing one of them. So we will just select this PDF. So what is our query? We have created, this is our query name, a demo report. And under the template, we have to attach, just save this one first, upload a template. Okay. From browse, we will select that RTF file which we have created. Under download, no, under webinar, sorry, under we have this report. Click on this RTF2 and OK, and save this one. So we can give the access to the users to whom we want to use this. We can go to this reconciliation manager to the service administrator and just save this one. Okay, now we have created this report. A new demo report has been saved. So this is basically a demo report, NR, a new report. It has been created. So once we have created here, so it will be automatically be available in our report section, and from there we can just go and view the report. So from navigator, under report, under the transaction matching, as we have created this under the transaction matching. And now you can see when we drill down this section, so we have this transaction matching reporting, a data source RG, the report group which we have created, a underscore demo report RG, the report group which we have created. Just click on this one, report, and click on this PDF file and generate a demo report NR. So just click on this. Let's see whether we get a successful message or not. Okay, it has been successfully created. So let's go and see the report, whether there has been any data in it or not. Now you can see we have this data. So we have got this, the details of the match ID, the match process, name, and the type. Tags, it is of a related to of uh, the match type which we have created. It has given the match type, the details of the match type, accounts payable to PO, because we have selected this match type for our report. So under report configuration, so we have selected the uh, report group here from here, and under the query we have selected the report, generate query, reconciliation, select manager, select filter, and OK. So this is how we can create the custom report based on our requirement. So the match ID is coming here. What are the match process here is MP. Okay. So this is basically a common procedure which is being used for generating a custom as well as the uh, what we can say a custom and the predefined and the pre-built report in ARCS. So we have selected that match type. Based on that, it has given us the report. So the custom report is can be seen from the drill down option, a data source RG. This is the report which has not yet been generated. Basically, it has given me the error. So let's select AP2PO and just generate. I think it will give some error. Yes, it has given me the some error. That's why I have shown you the other report. This one under reconciliation compliances. This. So this is basically the steps which we are supposed to follow to create a general report. So the need of the report is based on the requirement of the business processes. So as per them, we can just configure and create a custom report. So with this, it's now it's our time to conclude our session. It was basically a small topic, as we have to just go through the creation of custom report in ARCS. So for any questions or query, you can just reach out to us. And for more such useful and knowledgeable videos, you can refer our YouTube channel. You can see the video library available in the YouTube. So till we come with another topic, so it's time to say goodbye to you, and I thank you.